Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213L in Plum. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. Grab at the edges with your fingertips, and then just push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and that plate comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay? At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. You have two 13 amp plug sockets on the front here. Flipping it on over, you'll notice that it has 4 terminal hole screws on the back here. You'll also notice, I don't know if you can tell on the camera there, but the 13 amp and the 250 volt right there. Okay. So we'll put that back on over here. Put that plate back on just like that. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. Head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that would be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner here is a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay. On the back here is our SKU code, the ART-SKT2 for the single socket ×2, 13 for the 13 amp, long for the long rocker switches, and PL for Plum. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left you have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. You'll be able to see our full range of Trendi products there. And finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.